Hello ladies, today I will share with you 7 lipsticks which fit every lady. I also show you how I personally use them. And as always, all the links will be in description below. Are you ready for it? Let's go! First lipstick is one I'm wearing right now. It's super classic and chic, and it will fit all the outfits, believe me. But most of all, it is good for work and for business. I often use it with pencil. I choose the same color because it helps me to make a smooth, even line. But I didn't use it now. My favorite lipstick is this one from Chanel. I use it really often and you can see it in different videos.
Hello beauties, you're on channel Oops Nadine, and I'm glad to share with you my experience with hair extension.
It has a really bright color and lasts for years, I want to say, but really for hours. It lasts very good. And in the evening I use this small secret. It has some blink on the other end. And it's really very good for the party because you can eat and drink with it and it will still look very good. The third choice is red lipstick. I have as this one, it's more dark, and this one, it's classic. I show you both because you should choose your own color. Not all the reds fits everyone. We all have different colors of teeth, so you should choose the red which fit you most of others. And also for dark one I bought a pencil, the same from the lipstick, because I think sometimes we need some help to make the line smoother. If you just begin your lipstick journey, I advise you to begin with this one, Cruising from Nars. It's really fit everyone. The only problem you can have with it, it's really difficult to buy it because when it just began to selling, everyone bought it immediately. I use this one if I want just add some freshness to my look. I use it for quite a long time, so I don't have a lot of already, but I advise you to have it always in your bag. And you can easily drink and eat with it because you will just eat some gloss during the party. By the way, you know, women eat from 2 to 5 kilograms of lipsticks during their life. Can you imagine it? This golden lipstick from Victoria's Secret is chic and cheap option to use for everyday makeup. And I also like to use it on vacation because it glows so well on the sun and it's really nice for everyday using. And the last one is for super brave girls because it both has sparkle on it and it has very bright color. But for now this color is super trendy and I advise you even just come to the shop and try it. Maybe you will like it. Not for every day, but it's very good for party. This one can become a star of every party you will take part in. And one more advice, I advise you to use scrub for your lips because then the lipstick will lay on it smoother. Also you can use this one always just to make some freshness to your look. That was my top 7 lipsticks. Which one do you prefer and what color do you want to try after watching it? Please say the comment of the number of the lipstick you want to try. And if you want to know more about clothes, about style, lipsticks and devices for the beauty, please subscribe to my channel and I will share with you a lot of new interesting secrets. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay like if you like it. Bye bye, see you soon.